Oh, well, it really sucks being a teenager. I mean, I just don't even want to go to school today. My boobs hurt. I'm not having all these sensitive issues. And, my mom and my dad, they don't even understand a damn thing. They buy me a new car, and then I get to go shopping every week. And I just tell them I'm going to pay my bills when I'm older, and they believe me. I, and I don't mind smoking weed. I like it as a matter of fact. Weed is good shit, nigga, nigga, nigga. My name is Nikki. Well, my real name is Jeanette, but I go by Nikki. So call me Nikki, okay? I won't be your friend if you don't call me Nikki, nigga. Well, I may look cute on the outside, but I'm not really cute on the inside, but I got everybody fooled. So I just wanted to say hi and let you know that I'm a teenager and I'm crazy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bye bye.